my channel. Come on in, where the crafts are flowing and the fun begins. We cut, we glue, we paint, we play. There's something creative every day. Welcome to my channel where we craft and have fun. It's a
Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from ANGELROSE Designs, and the video before this one I showed y'all how to make jump rings, and I said I was going to teach y'all show y'all what I used them for. Okay, so I have all my pliers here, I have my jump rings that I made, I have chain and some charms. Okay, so first what we're going to do is take 2 pair of needle nose pliers. This is a chain nose, and I'm gonna just take my jump ring, twist it, okay, and then we're gonna take a charm, put it on, then take our chain and loop the chain right onto the jump ring, and then we're gonna take it and twist it back a couple of times, back and forth, and you have one charm on. Well, that didn't work. I didn't close it right. So we're going to put the chain back on, and this time we're going to close it up right. There we go. Okay, so now we have one charm on our chain. So we're going to take up another one. Okay, whoops. We're going to put it in, twist it. This time we're going to put the chain on first. Now you got to find another loop that's empty and put your chain right on that jump ring. And your next charm goes on. And then wiggle, 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 wiggle until it's closed. Then you have that one. Next one. I mean, this is all you do. It's just basically twist it. Either you put your charm or your chain first. But let me tell you, doing it on the chain with so many charms on it already, it's not that easy. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to hold the part that has the charms on it and do it this way. Put a loop on, like so, and put your next charm on. Okay, so that's all you basically do for this. Alright, and then you take your pliers back and close it up, like so. Okay, then you grab your piece like that. Now you have 3 charms on your chain. So, you know, then you can take this and put it on a journal, you can put it on a notebook, you can put it on a planner. Like, I have this planner here. Okay, and all I have to do is just take the clasp here, open it up, and hook it on my planner, and then I got a tassel right on my planner. See? Now, if you want to do it on a different planner that doesn't have the spine like this, to do it on a planner sort of like this, you would have to punch a hole somewhere, or if you have something like this, this clasp won't fit on here, but if you put a jump ring and turn it upside down, and hook this part of the chain onto the jump ring, you have your tassel to hang on your planner. Okay? Same thing with a notebook. If you have a notebook that doesn't have the spine with the wire spine, you can just make a hole, punch a hole, and put your clasp through the hole, and that's how you do it. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment, and if you haven't done so, please hit the red subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, when I go live, or when I do a premiere. Please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, be positive, and I will see you all in the next video. Go make something pretty today. And remember, if I can do it, so can you. Bye-bye for now.
Thanks for watching. It's great to see you. You are greatly appreciated. If you haven't done it yet, please hit the subscribe button while you're at it. Please hit the thumbs up, the notification button to get notified